Hello, my name is Navid Sen and I am doing Masters in Data Analytics from National College of Ireland. This DWBI project is based on the analysis of Human Development Index of various countries and other important measures like Education Index, Employment Rate, GDP per capita, and Happiness Index of different nations. I have used different datasets from multiple data sources. Let me explain my data sources. My first data source is Human Development Reports, and I have extracted the Human Development Index for the year 2017 of various countries along with its rank. My second data source is Statistics Times. Here I have extracted GDP per capita income of different countries for the consecutive years of 2017 and 2018. Statista is my third data source and I have used two different structured data sets. First is the education index of different countries for the year 2017 and the other one is the employment rate of various nations for the same year. My last data source is from countryeconomy.com. Here I have used the World Happiness Index and its ranking for different countries. Let me go to my SSIS package. This is my SSIS workflow where it is fully automated and the OLAP cube is deployed with a single click. Now as you can see that I have truncated the tables first and then I have extracted the data from the data sources and then cleaned the data by using a single R script in R. And then I've loaded the clean data files into the staging area and then dropped the fact table first and then the dimension table and created the schemas of dimension and the fact table and populated the values into it, and finally the cube is deployed successfully. Now before starting this SSIS package, let me show you my R script which I have used for cleaning and extraction purposes. This is my R script which I have used, and I've used different R packages like XML2, Select R, RWest, HTML tab. Let me go to the SSMS and see what is there in the fact table now. As you can see, our fact table is populated as of now. Let me run my SSIS package. As it is running, we can truncate the table here and see the contents. As you can see, now there is nothing in the fact table. Let us go back to the SSIS and see. Our OLAP cube has successfully deployed. Let us go back to our SSML and see what is there in the fact table. And fact table has been populated after the successfully deployment of the cube. For designing and creating the data warehouse, I have used Kimball's approach and created a star schema having two different dimension tables and one fact table. Again, we can explore the data of the fact table. This is my fact table data. Let me go to Tableau, which I have used Tableau as a visualization tool. I have connected my OLAP cube with the Tableau server and I've used three different BI queries to answer some of the questions from the data. My first BI query is comparing the HDI rank and the happiness rank of different countries for the year 2017. As you can see that HDI rank and the happiness rank of more countries or many countries are almost same. Like say for Iceland, its HDI rank is 1, whereas its happiness rank is 4. And Belgium, its happiness rank is 18 and its HDI rank is 60. So we can conclude that with increase in the happiness among the citizens of a country, there is an increase in the HDI rank and the HDI score of that particular nation. Let me go to my second BI query. My second BI query is comparing the education index and the HDI score of various nations for 2017. Germany has an education index of 915, which is the highest among all the countries here, and the HDI score of 0.8610. Let us take Finland. Finland has the education index of 887 and the HDI score of 0.8680, which is less than the Germany. So this clearly indicates that With a decrease in the education index, the HDI score of that nation will also decrease. That means the government has to invest more into the education infrastructure to make sure that the HDI score always go high. My last BI query is comparing the GDP per capita employment rate and the HDI scores of various countries for 2017. Like, let us take Finland. Finland has a GDP of 45,703 US dollars, whereas it has an employment rate of 70.10. And this is the reason Finland is considered among top of the top countries in terms of its HDI values. It has an HDI score of 0.86800. This means that if a country has a good GDP per capita and employment rate, then its human development score and the overall economy will all go high. Thank you.